Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be tackling one of those spaces we all use every day, but sometimes we dread cleaning: the bathroom. And this is the master's bathroom, and this is the bathroom I'm going to be tackling today. As for the kids' bathroom, that's story for another day. I know it can be, the last thing on your list to do. But trust me, by the time we're done, you'll feel so refreshed and motivated to clean your own bathroom if you haven't. So grab your cleaning supplies, just put me on the background and let's do this together. First of all, I like to declutter. That's the first thing I love to do. And I love to start with small spaces. And you always have to start small because if you want to do everything at the same time, it becomes really overwhelming. So start by decluttering little by little and then you start cleaning. That's how I actually go about it. This is my husband's side, so he doesn't really have much stuff on he doesn't have much stuff put out, so I just took in the little things he had out and then I'm cleaning the rest of the stuff. For me, cleaning products do not really matter, even though I know that there are some cleaning products that do the job perfectly, but I use what I have because the moment I start trying to find the best products that would do the work, I end up just getting tired and then I just go back to bed. But today I told myself that whatever cleaning product I have, I will be using it. The good thing about it is that most of those cleaning products actually work. All you just have to do is spray it with water and everything is clean again. I have also invested in this machine. I got it, I think 3 years ago when I was pregnant for my second kid. I got it because I was having a lot of pain, back pain, and it was so difficult for me to bend and, clean my area or my surfaces. So I had to get that product or that machine, and it helped me greatly. I have been using it for 3 years now, and it hasn't broken down. All you have to do is just charge it and then you use it. I've forgotten what it's called, but I'll definitely find it and I'll put it down probably in the description box. So if you're a mama that has back pain and you don't really want to scooch over or bend over, it's actually going to help you make your work easy for you. It has some extendables, it has different parts of the cleaning. I'm still going to show you that in this video, but that machine has been helping me clean not just my bathroom but my home. So this is my side and you can see how messy it is with makeup and lots of stuff. So even though I complained that the bathroom is not clean, half of the mess is actually done by me and my makeup kit. So I'm just gonna clean up my side and continue with the cleaning. Like I said earlier, this machine is actually nice. You can change the mouth to suit whatever you want to clean. It has this tiny mouth where you can go around the mouth of your bathroom. the sides, the corners, and it actually works perfectly for me when I'm cleaning my bathroom, when I'm cleaning my kitchen, when I'm cleaning anywhere, any part of my home. It actually works perfectly for me, and it's been helping me out, and it has cut my work into half. So all I just have to do is turn it on, get it charged, turn it on, and then use with whatever cleaning products I want to use. Next, I'll be tackling this bathtub. We rarely use this bathtub. We just use it once in a while because we just use it to soak in, or when you just want to relax, we use it. And since I got pregnant, I haven't really gone into it. We use mostly the stand-up shower, but I've noticed that this also collects dust, so I'm also going to be cleaning it today. So this is the machine. It has this extendable handle where you can extend it and plug it in, and then you don't really have to bend. All you have to do is just plug it in, and then you just wash whatever it is that you want to reach. And it's so long that you can reach wherever you want to reach in the bathroom without really having to bend over. So I also got a bidet. I used to use my Perry bottle after kids, and I've continued to use it, but I just feel like it's not serving its purpose. Maybe if I'm not at home, a Perry bottle will work very well, but since I'm home most of the time, I think a bidet is actually really good. So I'm going to be installing this bidet. I actually got it from Amazon, and the instructions are quite easy to follow, and I just fixed it myself because it wasn't really difficult. All I had to do was just unscrew some stuffs in the bathroom and then just fix this in. So it took me less than, I don't know, 5 seconds to actually put it in. And I'll advise you, it's actually better to actually use a bidet, use water, than just tissue paper and think that everywhere is clean. So I think I got this for like $50 on Amazon. I also purchased this rainforest. That's what my husband calls it. He calls it a rainforest shower. So I got it because the one we currently have, it's not doing it. Like it's not as cool as I would want it to be. And I also like that this one has like a handle, so that it's easy for me to wash the bathroom on a daily basis, after shower. So because the one we have is just over there, it's kind of difficult to move it around and wash the bathroom. So I had to change it to get this one so that I can be able to, use the long form and then just wash the shower as I go, so that I don't have to wait for a big day before I actually, wash the stand-up shower. I also got this out of from Amazon. It's kind of like a bathroom storage. I think it's called like over the toilet storage or something like that. I just wanted to decluster some of the products that we have that are just hanging around. So I just wanted to have a place where we can store tissues and towels and some other things. So I decided to get this. My husband actually wanted to help me out, but I told him no because I know that he wouldn't want to be in this video. So I just wanted to do it myself, and the kids were in school, so I had nothing to do. So I had fixed it myself. The good thing about this is that the instructions, once you follow it, everything is going, perfectly. Everything is going well. Just all you have to do is to follow the instruction, which I did, and I built this, and actually it goes, over the toilet, and it just adds as an extra space. This took me about 5 minutes to build, but once it was done, everything was in order, and it looked so good, and it didn't look bad. So I was really happy, and that's why I was doing my happy dance, because I did something wonderful. And then this is what I was talking about, the storage of the tissue, so that we can have more tissues, and we don't really have to worry about someone getting tissue for the other person. We just restock it each time we see that it's down. And we have some towels that we'll be putting up, and some other products that we'll be putting up there, and that would help with our space, and it will help with storage. At the moment, everything looks good and everything looks nice, and this is the rain shower, whatever it's called. I couldn't fix it myself because I don't know, the shower head it's needed screws and all that, so I just had to leave it for my husband. But at this time, I wasn't able to film everything, when I was washing the stand-up shower. But at this time, everything is looking clean, everything is looking good. I had to organize some of my husband's products, some of my products. I've cleaned everything up. I'm sorry I wasn't able to show you everything. I was just tired of carrying the camera up and down, so I just focused and cleaned everything. But everything actually looks good and clean, and I'm so happy that I decided to do this cleanup. And if you stay till the end of this video, I would like you to give it a thumbs up. Tell me, what is your favorite cleaning product? Just let me know which area you would like to tackle in your house, and if you were motivated enough to tackle all these areas. I know sometimes it can be overwhelming, but deciding that you have to do this today and you have to stick to it, actually the fulfillment you get at the end is actually worth it. After cleaning this bathroom, I felt really good, and trust me, I can sleep there all day. It was so clean, it was so nice, everything was put together, and I was so excited that I did this and I wasn't postponing it. And so please let me know what you like best about this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.